Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use form keys in Arena Breakout. Form keys are incredibly important items that grant you access to locked containers and special rooms across various maps. Using them effectively can significantly boost your earnings and help you find rare gear. Understanding their purpose is the first step to becoming a more successful operative in the dark zone. Acquiring form keys involves a bit of luck and strategic play. You'll often find them as random drops from defeated enemies or hidden within various containers and stashes during your raids. Keep an eye out for them in high-value areas. Additionally, if you're short on time, you can always check the in-game market or specific traders to purchase the keys you need. Once you have a form key, knowing where to use it is crucial. Each key is unique and designed for a specific locked door or container on a particular map. Always read the key's description carefully. It will often hint at its location. Look for these locked points of interest, such as secure armories, hidden safes, or special supply rooms, to unlock their valuable contents. The rewards for successfully using a form key are substantial. These locked areas frequently house some of the best gear in the game, including high-tier weapons, advanced armor, and rare attachments. You might also discover valuable medical supplies or other high-value items that can be sold for a significant profit. Utilizing form keys is a smart strategy to maximize your loot and ensure a highly profitable extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.